It's time for someone to get their checkup. 3 guesses which tooth needs help. Oh, what a mess. We're gonna need to rebuild this one. Better, but all these teeth could use some metal work. Braces just seem to add a little shine to your teeth. Cool toy, but we could afford a real dentist at this price. I don't think this place accepts coupons. Ah, softener. Everyone's favorite Christmas present. And with a little imagination, we can make a giant mouth. Complete with all this junk to clean out. If only she got this excited cleaning her own teeth. Oh good, these toys are on sale. Look, it's a pop tube and a dinosaur all in one. Let's hope there's no dip it in gypsum, you buy it policy. Well, at least it breaks off easily. What else could use a nice dip? No, you need your phone. Let's see. Well, now you really need to buy that flamingo. Not that it minds the new neck extension. And I do mean extension. Wow, look at that! Even comes with a green ribbon. Now to find the ultimate toy. Watch out!
Ouch! Wow!
Wow, she's really got a head for secrets. Cool, a light show in the palm of your hand.
Aww.
And just wait until you see the ceiling. Kind of hypnotic. Hey, who turned on the lights? All we need is a cup. Just make some holes in it. Run a marker along the top. And add some light. Just give it a quick spin and you're ready to go nocturnal. Let me guess, she wants one at the bottom? Oh, but it was so worth it! A bubble machine! Start at the bottom and make a bubble tower. How could Dad say no? Still, you should ask. Guess he could say no. Don't worry. Just take a fan and part of a soda bottle. Put them together and keep them secure, like with a band. Give it a dip in some bubble solution. And prove quality trumps quantity. Make a kissy-missy-sized bubble. See how big you can go. Look hard and you'll find a good deal. Probably. Ooh, a nail kit. Let's just hope it's really on sale. Look at all the looks you can give your nail. Well, what are you waiting for? Try it out. Each finger's gonna be a work of art. Quick, a distraction! We can make our own nail kit. It's a custom-made stamp. Just add some polish. And you can add flair to more than just your nails. What a weird little store. Oh, it's a pedicure toy. With all these corns and ingrown hairs, it sure needs a pedicure. You know, some aloe would help all that dead skin. A little scrubbing can work wonders too. Now that it's clean, it's time for some real fun. Dad'll have to let you have it after all that work. Oh, honey, you already have a foot. 2, in fact. And we can put our feet to work. Trace it out, add paint. Ooh, these fake nails will add the perfect touch. It's a little flat, but it's our own homemade pedicure toy. Though I guess the polish is sold separately. There's candy too. Oh, but it's so far away. Luckily, this robot hand might just put things in reach. Yes! Today, the Snickers bar. Tomorrow, the cookie jar. And it'll help you get attention in a pinch. Looks like dear old Dad has another idea. And not just because he's already got a hardware store grabber. Cut up some straws and trace your hand. Use the straws and some yarn to give the hand a skeleton. No bones about it. Look at that grip. And it really comes in handy when your nose itches. There's something strange about this place. Still, let's try out this drawing projector. Give a disc to Mr. Giraffe and press the button. Now, just choose whatever you'd like to draw. Don't forget the seeds. Doesn't look too much like the original. Why not try this instead? Fill a box with lights. And cover the top with clear wrap and sand. You can draw whatever you imagine, and it's easy to erase. Plus, it makes adding those little touches even easier. Aw, what a sweet message. Pots? Cans? Is this a toy store or a cooking store? Let's see if it delivers on the no spill thing. It works. Good thing, or she'd be a mess. Dad will have to want something so practical. Guess not. But hey, neat scissors. Besides, we can transform any bowl with suction cups. Let's try it out with solids and liquids. Wow, it can even withstand a leaf blower. And since the cereal survived, it's time to eat. Pretty cool stuff, right? Catch you next time.